How to change Facebook page password. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can change Facebook page password. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Facebook application and make sure you are logged into your page or Facebook page account, or you have switched to your page account. Since Facebook pages do not have a separate password because they are managed through your personal Facebook account, so if you want to change your Facebook page password, you need to change your Facebook personal account password since your page is linked to your personal account. So if you want to change your Facebook account password, here is how you can do it. First of all, you need to switch back to your personal account. For that, tap on the three-line icon at the top right. Now from this menu page, you can switch back to your personal account. Now, once you're on your personal account, tap on the three-line or the profile icon with the three-line at the top right. And here, tap on the settings icon. Once you're on the settings, now tap on the account center or meta account center. Here, scroll down a bit and head towards password and security. Under password and security, you will find an option to change password. You have to tap on change password. Then select your Facebook account. Now you can change your password. First of all, you have to type in your current password. Under that, type in your new password and then retype the new password. If you want to log out of all the other devices, make sure to choose this option on your interface. Now once you're done typing in your current password, new password, and again the new password, tap on change password button at the bottom of this interface, and after that your password will be changed successfully. Now you can use your new password to log into your account and manage your Facebook page. So that's the way to change a Facebook page password, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.